Hi all, Austin here with just a quick video on how to install our 2JZ coil on plug brackets. This is for all of them for the 2JZ. Keep in mind that these are all designed on a GE non-VVTi because that's what I run, and that will require no spacers whatsoever. However, all the other variants will require the spacers for the proper height and will also come with the spacers and all hardware, so you do not have to outsource anything. Remove the front two studs as well as the rear two studs on the non-VVTi variants. I have already loosened mine for the video. Set the coil bracket into position and secure it with the 4 bolts provided. That's it, you're ready to install your coil packs. The VVTi and GTE variants require spacers to achieve the proper height. Remove just one front stud from the VVTi variants and both rear studs. I find it easiest to slip the hardware into place before adding the spacers. Long spacer goes near the VVTi solenoid. The 3 remaining spacers prop up the other 3 legs of the bracket. Tighten the bolts to secure the bracket and you're ready for the coil packs. Thank you all for watching.